Allchinabuy versus Temu. In-depth comparison. In this video, we'll compare Allchinabuy and Temu, two popular online shopping platforms offering wide range of products, competitive prices. Let's break down their features, product offerings, and best use cases. First is Allchinabuy features. It has an electronic focus, specialized in a vast selection of electronics, with competitive pricing, offers the latest tech products, often at prices lower than many competitors, with global shipping, provides worldwide shipping options, making it accessible to customers around the globe, with also a bulk purchase options, ideal for customers looking for purchase multiple units or wholesome quantities, with best of tech enthusiasts, perfect for those who seeking the largest gadgets and electronic devices are at home affordable prices. And now let's dive into Temu features. First, it has a diverse product range, offers a wide array of products including clothing, home goods, and electronics. It also has a user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation, making the shopping experience seamless. With frequent promotions, regularly provides discount and deals, attracting budget-conscious shoppers. With fast shipping, known for quicker delivery times compared to some competitors. It is also best for general shoppers, suitable for users looking for a variety of products across different categories. Now let's dive into our final thoughts. Allchinabuy is the best choice for tech enthusiasts and bulk buyers looking for competitive prices on electronics and gadgets. Now Temu is perfect for general shoppers seeking a diverse range of products with frequent promotions and faster shipping. Now, which platform do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.